In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to control, customize and clean up usernames on your WordPress site using the Advanced Username Manager plugin. If you are tired of weird usernames, this plugin gives you full power over how usernames are created and changed. Now let's see it in action. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, head over to the Profile menu. Then click on Settings. Now click on Username Change. Now change username. And save the changes. Now let's move to WordPress dashboard and go to WP plugin and click on Advanced Username Manager. Then click on General Setting, and from here you can enable or disable users to change their username from the front end. Then you can choose which user roles are allowed to modify their usernames. And for the limits, you can set the number of days after which user can change their username. And from here you can set the minimum and maximum username length. From here you can choose the user profile link format and save the changes. And to top it off, the plugin works seamlessly with BuddyPress, WooCommerce and other major plugins. Whether you are building an online store or a community, clean username go a long way in improving the user experience. So that's it. The Advanced Username Manager plugin gives you and your users full control over usernames, making them clear, consistent and fully customizable. Thanks for watching. Now go give your users a serious upgrade.